Hello, hi everybody, and welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company. We are located here in Culver City, California, USA. We are the one and only original Magic Hair Company. We have the best and premium full lace and front lace glueless wigs available. We do custom coloring right here in store. So if you're looking for a high quality, long lasting premium wig from a Black-owned wig store located here in the US of A. Shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We're currently having a 20 to 50% off sale on our website. It is our spring sale. There's no discount code needed, and the discount code is applied at checkout. So there's no code needed. Come on by, visit us here in our Culver City store. Our current hours are Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. We look forward to helping you get the wig that you need. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Yes, we're currently having a wig sale. Everything that you see online is, you're leaving? Okay, everything that you see on our website, magichaircompany.com, that's the only place you can get wigs from us, is 20 to 50% off. So I'm about to put my favorite wig right now back on, just to show you guys how easy it is to put on a glueless wig. As you see, we color this one red. It is a 20-inch front lace, silky straight, we just put some curls in it, wig. So you see, I put that on there and make sure my part is centered. And there you go, that's it. That is how easy it is to put on a wig from us. And as you can see, my wig is not going anywhere. Oh, I hate getting hair on my lip gloss. But as you can see, my wigs are nice and secure and not going anywhere, and I can definitely still brush my fingers through this hair. You see the curls are still here. We did a wand curl on this probably 2 weeks ago. Last week I combed those wand curls out, and that is how I got this look here, if you were wondering. But yeah, this is one of my favorite wigs. I wore this as part of my wedding wig collection when I got married last month. And if you love this color or any color red, red is the current color of the season, and we have a lot of red wigs in stock. This right here is wig number 497. I wanted to make a special announcement about it because she is on sale. She's available online and in store. This is a 22-inch body wig that's custom colored, and she's on sale. So if anybody's looking for a sale wig, check out our sale section. This is unit number 497. And today's show is going to be about us styling here. So we're going to cut this wig down here a little bit. This client asked for us to cut this wig about 2 inches. She likes it a little more bluntly cut across the bottom here, and that's what we do here. We accommodate our custom wig requests here at Magic Hair Company, because that is what we do. If you have your wig in mind, you wanted a specific color, specific length, specific texture, we at Magic Hair Company are here to customize any wig for you. So that's what we do. If you want it styled, we'll add some curls to it. If you want it like this, if you want it flat ironed out, if you want some bangs added, if you want some layers to the front, or if you want layers all throughout your unit, all of that is included with any wig purchase from Magic Hair Company. Again, we're having a sale on our website. There's no code needed, so go ahead and check that out. This is a 16-inch front lace deep body wave. This is one of our most popular textures here. I don't remember what the wig number is. Let me see, because we have quite a few of these. I don't recall off the top of my head, but I will let you guys know the unit number on this in just a second. And like everything else, this is on sale right now at magichaircompany.com. This is what the beautiful texture looks like, nice and close. And now I'm going to style this down for our wonderful client. So this is a weird angle for me. Okay, let me come across over here. Okay, so I'm taking about 2 inches off of this wig right here. Hi guys, it's me, Janice. I hope I'm not too much in the camera here, guys, but okay, so give me just a second so I can cut this right here at an angle we can all see. So I'll do this right here. And this particular client, she has at least 8 wigs from us, and she always has us cut her wigs the exact same way. So I kind of know her style and what she's looking for. And if I don't cut it short enough, she will bring it back and have me cut it some more. So bear with me. Sorry if my head is in the camera here. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. We're currently having a sale on our website and in store, our spring sale. There is no coupon code needed. Everything is 20 to 50% off, including our miracle working hair care product line. So if you have a wig from us or human hair extensions and you're looking for a natural product that will hydrate, revitalize, renew, refresh your curly, wavy hair, our hair care product line is exactly what you need. It is a keratin. We have a keratin shampoo and conditioner. Let me see how this is looking. Let's see. So I'm just trying to make sure the wig is symmetrical. It's the same way you would do with the wig on you. And so when you're doing that, you just go right here and feel to make sure these tabs are right in here. And make sure they're in the exact same place on either side, and that will let you know that your wig is symmetrical. Hi, Rusty Gills. Hi, I just ordered mine. I can't wait to get it. We can't wait for you to get your new wig. Give us lots of feedback and let us know how much you love it. We are here to assist you, so let us know if you have any questions. What did you order? Yeah, we're getting a lot of orders in with our current sale, so we're glad you could catch that sale. Okay, so for the most part, this is what I started with, and now I'm going to kind of just cut a little bit of more layers into it. So excited I got unit 740. That's a good one. I believe, no, 470. What is unit 470? I don't remember the exact unit number off the top of my head. Is it unit 740 or is it unit 470? I think it's unit number 740. If I remember correctly, it is the 10-inch, it might be 12-inch. 12-inch kinky curly. It was a new unit last week that was unit 740. So you might have got wig 740, not 470, right? Unit number 740 is that short 10-inch from last week? Oh, you're right. It's wig number 470. Sorry, I have over 700 wigs. Nope, you're correct. It is wig number 470. I have so many wig numbers that I try to remember and Sometimes I get them wrong, but you are absolutely correct. We can't wait till that comes out to you. I believe it's shipped out on Monday, so you will probably receive it Wednesday, depending on where you live. But I can't wait to get your feedback. That is a very popular wig, actually. Okay, so now I'm just cutting a little bit of, giving this a little bit more movement down here at the bottom.
What texture is that?
This texture right here is our deep body wave. So if you like a texture that's curly but not too curly, this is a great option for you. This is usually what I wear when I'm on vacation because I love the bigger curls as opposed to the smaller curls. And it's very, very easy to maintain. Just wet it down, add some of our Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier, which is on our website and available here in store. And just wet it down and let it air dry and you're good to go. Our hair is very, very easy to maintain. And it's 100% natural human hair. So it's not going to tangle or mat up or do anything like that. It will last you for time and time to come. This is what our Hydrating Curl Definer looks like right here. Let me tell you, it smells wonderful. I love the way that it smells. We specifically formulated this so that it does not break out your skin. And it is exactly what you need to hydrate curly and wavy hair. Very, very easy to maintain. When you get quality hair, it's easy to maintain. It's perfect to wear on vacation. It's perfect for everyday use. You can wear our wigs every day. This is not cheap throwaway hair like a lot of the hair that you may find at the beauty supply. This is not even comparable to beauty supply hair. That is why I have a whole wig store here in Culver City, California, selling the best of the best only. Absolutely, come on in here to our Culver City store. We're currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Appointment preferred. We just prefer that you make an appointment because we are a wig store. A lot of women, when they go out the house, or a lot of women never take off their wig, and people that live with them don't even see them with their uncovered head. So we keep this a very, very safe environment, a very safe, welcoming, relaxing environment, so you will feel comfortable taking off your wig. We deal with a lot of clients with hair loss. There's no reason to suffer from hair loss alone. We have great quality wigs, whether you want to get back your old hairstyle or if you want a completely new hairstyle, we got you covered here at Magic Hair Company. All of our wigs are 100% natural human hair, giving you the best look possible. So when you step out of here, you will step out a changed woman if you want, because we have lots of quality wigs in different lengths and textures. And because we have an in-store colorist, we can definitely do any color request that you have. So if there's a specific color that you're looking for, or just screenshot it and send it out to us. That way we can duplicate that color for you, because that is what we do here at Magic Hair Company. Not only do we make the best quality wigs made from the finest lace and highest quality hair out there, we also do in-store coloring. So if you're one that usually takes your own extensions and colors them at home and you have a hard time doing it, there's no need to do that anymore. We can color your hair for you right here in store. Right now is the perfect time to get a colored wig because all of our wigs are on sale right now. So shop with us. Shop with us here in store or shop with us online. We do prefer that you make an appointment to shop with us in store right now. To make an appointment, just head on over to magichaircompany.com. Magichaircompany.com is the only place that you will find our products. Don't be fooled by any of these other companies that you see running Facebook ads saying they're Magic Hair Company with $55 specials. We do not have any $55 wig special. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com or right here in our Culver City store. So if you want to come on in, try on the wigs, have a colored wig consultation, Magic Hair Company is the place for you. We are Black owned. I am the owner. I'm very familiar with wigs. Of course, I wear my own products. You know, I love my wigs. You guys come into the store, you can see me. We have our very own hair care product line, and me or my staff will definitely assist you with any questions that you have about wearing your wig, about taking on and off your wig. Let me show you the inside cap construction line here. So this is the inside cap construction on our front lace wig. As you see, we have this scalp illusion right here, so you don't have to wear a cap underneath, because that is what shows through right here, this natural scalp wherever you part this here in the front. There's also this removable and adjustable band that you see right here. You can adjust it right here with this clamp right here to make it tighter or looser, and that is what gives you a nice secure fit around your front perimeter, the way this tension band is placed. Let me put it right back on here, and then we have another band for adjusting here in the nape. And as you see here in the nape, we have our Magic Hair Company logo. So if you get a wig from Magic Hair Company and it does not come from our Culver City store, or it doesn't have that logo on it, then it's not from us. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. It makes me so sad when people are writing these crazy reviews about wigs they're buying for $50, saying they're from Magic Hair Company. Don't write those reviews on my page, because the wig is not for me. My wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com, or here in our Culver City store, where we invite you to come on in. The reason, back to why we're only taking appointments right now, because, you know, this is a serenity for a lot of women to take their wigs off and be comfortable. So we don't want too many people in the store at one time. So come on in, let us know you're on the way. That way we can have time for a one-on-one consultation with you, take care of you, let you try on lots of wigs. We have hundreds of wigs in store and available, and give you the comfort and space that you need. And yes, we do clean down the station between every single use, and we do require you to wear a mask in the store. Absolutely. I don't know why people come by and think they don't need to wear a mask. It is a pandemic. Keep your mask on so we all stay safe. So definitely come by. We are currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. here at Magic Hair Company, Culver City. I'm almost done with styling this wig here. Let me add a little bit more layers to the front here. Are you ready to walk out?
No,
Okay. Okay, I'll be done by then. So yeah, let me just cut a few more layers into the front here. So we do styling, we do coloring. You can try on your wig with us. If you're looking for a quality wig that's not going to shed on you, that's going to last you and look very, very natural, shop with Magic Hair Company. We have the highest quality wigs available. We pride ourselves in having great quality wigs and great customer service. And we are here to assist you with your new wig choice, because we know that buying a wig for the new wig wearer, or for somebody who has been wearing wigs for years, to upgrade to a quality wig is a great experience. And we want you to love your wig, love your experience, and shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Once you become a client with us, you'll never shop anywhere else. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, check out our wigs here at magichaircompany.com. We have the best glueless and full lace wigs available. We are magichaircompany.com, located in Culver City, California, USA, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. Thank you for watching, guys.